Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So to get the regular job notifications, here I started one Telegram group and the Facebook group also. Both the two links I kept in the description box of this video, so the interested candidates may join in that group guys. And coming to the present video, here we are going to see the huge vacancies from one of the state public service commission. So total 12 state universities are participating in this recruitment guys. And here the 504 permanent assistant professor vacancies are there, and the selection will be purely based upon the direct interview basis. So let us see the details regarding this notification. So before going into the main content of this video, myself I am Ashwini Kumar, an academy educator for the electronic science as well as the paper 1. So here the complete course for the UGC NET electronic science as well as the paper 1 MCQ series is going to start. That means electronic science already started and the MCQ series is going to start. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan. The link I kept in the description box of this video and the details I kept at the end of this video. And now while coming to the present content of the video, here you may check down the name of the university and the total number of vacancies. Okay, so all these things are given here. I will show you the in detail notification. So first just have a look here. The Utkal University and the Sambalpur and the Barampur and Fakir Mohan University and MSCV, Ravenshaw and Ramadevi Women's University, Gangadhar Meher and Kalikote and Rajendra and Kalahandi and Jagannath Sanskrit. Okay, so these are the total 12 different universities and the 504 vacancies are there. So, and this notification came from Odisha Public Service Commission, and you may check down the online applications or invited from the prospective candidates through the proforma application to be made on the website, and the starting and closing date is 15th Feb 2021 to 14th March 2021. So 1 month time is there and it is a level 10 category. So as per the UGC, the salary might be in between 57,700 to 1,82,400 rupees per month. Yeah, that is a level 10 scale. And as per the level 10, the UGC requirement is that, in eligibility condition is that PG in the concerned discipline with the UGC NET qualification. So let us see the details regarding that one. And coming to the minimum age limit, the candidate must have attended 21 years as on 1/1/2021, and there is no maximum age limit here. So the date of birth, entered in the high school certificate or equivalent certificate issued by the concerned board or council will only be accepted by the commission. And next, coming to the education qualification, master's degree with 55% of marks in a concerned or relevant or allied subject from an Indian university or an equivalent grade from an accredited foreign university. A relaxation of 5% shall be allowed for the candidates belongs to SC and ST and PWD candidates. Apart from this one, the candidate must have the UGC NET or SLET or the CSIR NET qualification must be there. And coming to the other eligibility conditions, the candidate must be a citizen of India, and a candidate who has more than one spouse living will not be eligible for appointment unless the state government has exempted, and the government servants, where temporary or permanent, are eligible to apply provided they process the requisite qualification. And so that method of selection is given here. The appointments and conditions of service are to be guided by the provisions laid down under the statutes as applicable to the state public universities. There shall be shortlisting of candidates for each subject as per the UGC guideline, and the commission decided that 5 times the number of vacancies shall be shortlisted for the interview, where the no vacancies is more than 2. Fine. That means the shortlisted candidates will be directly called for the interview. So there is no written test here. So it is a wonderful opportunity, guys, that the candidates who belongs to the departments that I am going to show you right now. So please apply, guys. And coming to the application fee here, non-refundable 400 rupees only, and the candidates belongs to SC, ST of Odisha only, and person with disabilities are exempted from the payment of this fee. That means the other state candidates also can apply for this post, guys. Okay, and they will come under the general category maybe. And the other conditions are there that you may check down. So here I will provide this official website of the OPSC in the description box of this video. So you may check down here. If you just scroll down here, you will get that advertisement for the recruitment to the post of assistant professors in different state public universities of Odisha. So just click on this one, then you will be directed to this PDF, guys. Then you will get all this detailed notification. So to get the accurate and the more details, please enter into the official website and then check down. And here the certificates or documents and printout or hard copy of online application form to be produced for verification as and when asked for. So HSC and intermediate and bachelor degree and PG, MPhil or PhD, document in support of having the qualified net, and mark list in support of all the aforementioned examinations. And the candidates who have not awarded a percentage of marks but only grade marks should, along with their application, produce a conversion certificate from the concerned university, including the actual equivalent percentage of marks and the conversion formula. Okay, so these are the details, guys, that you may check down. And how to apply. The candidate must go through the details of this advertisement available in the OPSC website, and before filling up the online application form, the candidate must go through the details instruction available at OPSC portal. So right now there is no online application link, guys, but because this application starts from Feb 15th 2021. Okay, so there is no link right now. So on Feb 15th onwards, the link will be activated. So from that one, you can start applying this one. And the candidate should keep at least 2 copies of latest passport size photograph, which is to be uploaded on the online application form for the future use. Okay, so these are the details, guys. Okay, so you may check down carefully. And the opening and closing dates, as I already told you, that 15th Feb to the 14th March. Okay, so here let us see the subjects, guys. So what are the subjects and how many vacancies are there? Okay, that you can check down. The total consolidated subject-wise vacancy position in the rank of assistant professor in state public universities. So first one is anthropology, and next biotechnology, Bengali, botany, business administration, chemistry, commerce, computer science and application, and economics, education, English and gender studies, geography, geology, history, Hindi, home science, and integrated B.Ed and M.Ed foundation course. Okay, and pedagogy of history or English, and pedagogy of physical science, maths, journalism and mass communication and media technology, law, library and information science, life science, botany and zoology, linguistics, and marine science and material science, mathematics, and music, Odia, marine science, oceanography, and PMIR, political science and philosophy, physics, public administration, psychology. And next, Sanskrit, Santali and statistics, social work, sociology, travel, tourism, wildlife and biodiversity conservation, Urdu, zoology, Sahitya and Sarvadarshan. Next, Advaita Vedanta, Veda, Vyakarana, Nyaya and Dharma Shastra, and Jyotir Vijnana. Fine. So these are the total 56 departments are there, guys. From the 56 departments, the total 504 vacancies are there. So you may carefully check down. As per the university wise also the vacancies are mentioned here. So you may go through this in detail notification, guys. Okay. So please share this information to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunities. And for more notifications, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows. So please listen, guys. Hi friends, my name is Ashwini Kumar, Unacademy educator. So all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform, and it is providing the very good content to the learners who are preparing for the competitive examinations. And from this video I want to bring you one notice that I'm going to start the 2 new courses for the UGC NET candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in 2021. So the course number 1 is complete course for the NTA UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So that it is going to start from November 9th onwards. And coming to the paper 2 is electronic science. So the complete course for the electronic science is going to start from November 10th onwards. So the interested candidates may take the subscription plan of the Unacademy, that I will show you the different types of subscription plans. But before going to those subscription plans for the paper 1 and as well as to the paper 2, one thing that I want to share you is that if you want to check how the lectures will be, and why, because each and everybody is having some dilemma that before taking the subscription plans, that whatever the content I am going to teach you, so how the content I'm going to give you, so whether you can able to understand or not. So for that purpose, I will provide my Unacademy profile link in the description box of this video, guys. So if you click on that one, then you will be directed to this web page. So here, if you scroll down, you can check the special classes. So special classes means these are the completely free classes. So every month I'm going to take the free classes to the candidates. So if you click on this see all, then all my special classes that you can check down here, right? So if you click on these classes, then whatever the video classes I took at that date and time, so those videos will play. So with the help of these videos, you can decide that how I am going to deliver the content of the concepts and each and everything. So based upon that one, you may take the subscription plans, guys. Okay. And if you want to check that how I am going to teach the UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude, so it is my official YouTube channel link for the paper 1 that you can check down. I will provide this link also in the description box of this video. So here I did the complete unit 1, that is the teaching aptitude here by taking the total 6 parts. So it will be acts like the reference to you that how I am going to teach you, whether you can able to understand or not. So by looking all this content, that means the electronic science from the Unacademy app and from the YouTube channel, you can guess that how I am going to teach the paper 1. So by looking all these things, you can decide whether to take the subscription plan and whether I am going to explain as per your understanding levels or not.